Hi kids! Today we are going to read the second part of our Quranic story, that is the first man. In the beginning there was nothing. Then Allah said, "Be," and the whole world was made. The world is like a huge machine. It runs all the time. It never stops and it runs very smoothly. Allah made angels. The angels are very powerful. What do the angels do? The angels see to it that all the commands of Allah are obeyed in every corner of the world. The angels tell the winds when to blow. They tell the clouds where to go. They tell the rain where to rain. And they record everything that is happening in the world. When the world was already running beautifully, Allah wanted to make a human being. So, Allah collected all kinds of soul. He took dry sand and moist earth and sticky mud. He mixed them all like a potter's clay. He molded it into the shape of man. Finally, He breathed His spirit into it. He named the first man Adam alayhis salam. Then, He made the first woman. He called her Hawwa. Allah loved Adam alayhis salam and Hawwa. He gave them many gifts. He gave them eyes to see the beautiful world. He gave them ears to hear the birds sing. He gave them voice so that they may talk to each other. And He gave them mind to understand what is good and what is bad. Allah wanted Adam alayhis salam and Hawwa to live on the earth. There was one part of the earth which was more beautiful than the rest. It was called the Garden of Paradise. Allah wanted Adam alayhis salam and Hawwa to live in this beautiful garden. So, this part ends here. Let me know kids what you have learned and what new information you have gained today. Thank you.